Hello everyone, this is Rishi Venkat, Viscom student from Veltech Nagarajan Dr. Sekuntala R&D Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. Previously, I made a video about B.Sc Viscom. It explains what is B.Sc Viscom actually about, who can take B.Sc Viscom, what kind of subjects will be there in B.Sc Viscom, what can one do after taking B.Sc Viscom. If you haven't seen that video yet, there comes a pop-up in top of this video. Please go and watch it. Now, many people expressed their doubts and queries in comment section and requested to make a video on it. I'm glad you asked, and in this video I'm going to explain you about what is the difference between BA Visual Communication and B.Sc Visual Communication. Number 2, the fee structure of B.Sc Visual Communication. Let's start with the first one. What is the difference between BA Visual Communication and B.Sc Visual Communication? I hope you all know the abbreviations for BA and B.Sc. BA is Bachelor of Arts. It deals with art kind of subjects, whereas B.Sc is Bachelor of Science, which deals with science kind of subjects. Generally, there won't be any confusion on what to choose, because whoever want to study science subjects like maths, physics, chemistry, etc. will obviously go for B.Sc, and whoever want to study art subjects like languages, literatures, history, etc. will go for BA. But the confusion comes when you find a course, the same course, in both the arts and science streams. It happens with the courses which have wide exposure to concepts that have both art and science nature, and visual communication course is one of such kind. Coming to visual communication, first, there is no need to doubt the stream, because whatever the stream you choose, the components in visual communication will remain the same. They won't change. Anyone have to teach those components to teach visual communication. So, whatever the stream you choose, wherever you go, you will learn the same concepts and subjects in visual communication. But the only thing you have to note is, the concepts you learn in BA Viscom and B.Sc Viscom are same, but the angle is different. In B.Sc, you will learn the course like a science student, so you focus on the science and filmmaking. And in BA, you will learn the course like an art student, so you focus more on the art called filmmaking. For that, you will study filmmaking more theoretically in BA. You do practicals as well, but practicals not in the way that science students do. But don't analyze it deeply and confuse yourself, unless you are very particular about the art in films or the science in films. Whatever the angle it was teached, you will see the both, you will understand the both. For more clarity, here are the subjects in BA Visual Communication and B.Sc Visual Communication. Hope you understand that both are same. But the thing is, you cannot find BA Visual Communication everywhere as well as you find B.Sc Visual Communication, because B.Sc Visual Communication is more famous. So now you choose according to your own opinion. Now, fee structure in B.Sc Visual Communication. In any college that have standard infrastructure and resources required for the course, the average fees per semester for Viscom will be 30,000. Per year, the average fees will be 60,000. And for 3 years, the average fees will be 1,80,000. Generally, in most of the colleges, you will pay the fees semester-wise, and you will pay it as a whole at once at the beginning of each semester. Due to any financial reasons, if you couldn't pay full semester fee, i.e. 30,000 at once, you can request management and pay as much as you can. This is how it happens everywhere. But generally, if you don't have any permission and you have not paid full semester fees, you cannot complete other important proceedings after paying fees like semester registration, etc. The value of these proceedings will differ according to college. In some colleges, if you have not completed semester registration, you cannot get attendance. The registration is very important, and to complete that registration, you should have notice. These kind of limitations and rules will be there in every college in their way. If in case you got the permission to pay half fees and do registration as well, you should clear that remaining fees between the time the college gives to you. Because if you have not cleared that semester fees, it will become problematic at the time of hall tickets. You may not get your hall ticket to write that semester end exam until you pay the fees. And coming to the payment modes in college, most of the colleges have all the modes, like you can pay in the counter, you can deposit into college bank, you can pay online, you can pay via Google Pay, Phone Pay, UPI, etc. Every standard college which have a website for them will have their own online payment portal. You can pay fees there online. But if it is a small college, you may not have these many modes for paying fees. Any college which have their own online fee payment portal will give you receipt immediately after you complete the transaction successfully. The receipt will be auto-generated and you can download it as PDF. And if you pay offline, you will get physical receipt. This is everything you have to know about the fees. Thank you.